Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a very quick review about this AI website, and in this video we're going to break down the pros and cons of this website. So let's get started and find out what this website has to offer. So talking about this website, which is Autoentry. Autoentry helps you automate data entry. It's like a robot that read your papers. You get a receipt from a supplier or a bank statement arise. You can snap a picture or upload a file, then use auto entry. It put the numbers and words, it put them where they need to go. This saves time and energy, so it helps your account. It helps your account too. Even if you're not an expert, you can use it. No more typing everything by hand. It makes it life easier. Auto entry and do the boring stuff for you. So talking about the important features of this website, Autoentry isn't just about saving time. It has a cool tools that make your work easier. One of the best tools is the easy documentation, details dashboard, together with the advanced integration and a bills management. So talking about the pricing plan, you can as well as go to the website to check more information about the pricing plan, but they offer different range of pricing plan. They have the bronze, silver, gold, platinum, gold, and sapphire. So if you want more, just refer to the website. And talking about the pros and cons, they have different features for that. So talking about the advantages of this platform, it saves time, reduces errors, simplifies invoice, and integrates well mobile access. So talking about the advantages, they have this bad side, which is the learning curve. The subscription cost can be a little bit pricey, little for small business, and also accuracy varies. They are not 100% accurate. Then the occasional glitch, and that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this website, if you see it's up to your standard.